in the language of the constitution, we can say that contain this article 5, any person who has migrated from the territory of which is now part of Pakistan to be territory of India from the territory of the Pakistan, but such territory has been defined Indian Council Act of 1935 Act. It means before independence and before commencement of the constitution, India is governed by the Indian Council Act 1935. Jai Hind bachcho and Jai Hind deshwasiyon. Now today we are going to discuss Article 6 of the part 2nd, and the chapter is the citizenship. We have already discussed Article 5, and what about the definition of the citizenship? So now we are going to discuss about the Article 6 and the 7. In this regard, it would be better to phrase your memory of the class. It would be better to phrase your memory of the past about the Article 5. And Article 5 stated that rights of the citizenship at the commencement of the constitution in India. Right. And now we are going to discuss about rights of the citizenship of certain persons who have migrated from Pakistan to India. It means this: what about the rights who had migrated from Pakistan to India? In the language of the constitution, we can say that contain this Article 5, any person who has migrated from the territory of which is now part of Pakistan to be territory of India shall, on the commencement of this constitution, be deemed to be a citizen of India. Right. And in this article, there is provision of rights of the citizenship of certain person who have been migrated from the territory of the Pakistan to the territory of the India. And what about the provisions? And in this regarding, there has been some clauses. Clause 1, it says, if he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents was born in the defined the Government of India Act 1935, originally it means that Government of India or our Constituent Assembly has stated that under Article 6 that those who have been migrated from the territory of the Pakistan, but such territory has been defined Indian Council Act of 1935 Act. It means before independence and before commencement of the constitution, India is governed by the Indian Council Act 1935. Right. During this time, there is not a formation of the Pakistan. But suppose, for example, we can understand that this is India during that time. Is it right? This is India during that time, and a person, he has born here, and some person he has born here, and in 1947 there is a demarcation between India and the Pakistan. It was division of the India and Pakistan, and this area is India and this area and territory is the Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly stated under Article 6 that those who have been migrated from the Pakistan to the India, now it is the after 26 January and 1950, it is India, and a person who have migrated from the territory of the Pakistan will be India, be a citizen of India, because at that period, it means that during the governance of the Indian Council Act of it is the India. So they will be citizen of India. It is stated in the Article 6 Clause A. In Article 6 Clause B, there has been two subclauses. One is stated that where such person has so migrated before the 19th July 1948, if he has been ordinarily resident in the territory of the India since the date of this the date of his migration in certain section 2 of the Constitution. It states that if a person, first of all, we have to understand that a person who have migrated from the territory of the Pakistan to the territory of India will enjoy the Indian citizenship right. But there is some conditions. Condition is one, that is the permit day. 19th July 1948. Government of India or Constituent Assembly declare this date is the permit day. Those who have migrated from the territory of the Pakistan to the territory of India will be a citizen of India. No any conditions are there. But same clauses in the clause 6, Article 6, clause B and sub clauses 2. There is two sub clauses. Those who have migrated on 19th July 1948 on or after 19th July 1948, they will be also enjoy Indian citizenship. But condition is that, first condition is that he has to make application to the Government of India and gives residential proof for residing minimum 6 months. It means before 19 July 1948 they have not given any documents, and after 19 July 1948 they have to make application to the Government of India and provide residential proof, and that residential proof is minimum 6 months. Then they will enjoy the Indian citizenship right. This is declared in the Article 6. Next article is that Article 7. Article 7 states that rights of citizenship, certain persons who have migrated to Pakistan. It means that Indians after partition, some Indians, they have been migrated to the territory of the India, to the territory of the Pakistan. What about their provision of citizenship in the Indian concern and the Indian Constitution? In this regard, our Constitutional Assembly has also declared, clearly declared that those who have migrated from the territory of the India to the territory of the Pakistan after the 1st March 1947, after the 1st March 1947 will not be a citizen of India. To the territory which is not part of the Pakistan shall be deemed to be a citizen of India. It means those who have migrated from the territory of India to the territory of the Pakistan after the first day of March 1947, they will not enjoy the Indian citizenship. In this article, there has been some description. Suppose that it is India and this is the Pakistan. The Article 7 states that 1st March 1947 migrated from the territory of India to the territory of Pakistan will not be citizen of India. But after some time, they have returned to the territory of the India. After some time, they will return to the territory of the India and they want to become Indian citizenship. Then Indian Constitution also states that they can enjoy Indian citizenship. In this regard, they have to follow the provisions of the 6th of article. And 6th article provision said they have to make application, and they have given ordinarily resident for 6 months. It means they have to provide residential proof for 6 months and application to the Government of India according to this direction and the provision of the Government of India. So, concluding that in the citizenship right in Article 6 and 7, Article 6 is those rights of the citizenship of certain migrants who had been migrated from the territory of the Pakistan to the territory of the India, and Article 7 says rights of the citizenship right from the territory of India to the migration to the territory of India to the territory of the Pakistan. Right. So in this discussion, if you face any doubts and any questions, you can write in the comment section. And thank you very much and have a nice day.